Welcome to my review of Living Rich with Coupons. This website is all about helping you save money by offering discounts, grocery coupons, and various deals. It's an excellent resource for those looking to cut costs on everyday essentials. But how effective is it really? Let's take a closer look. First off, Living Rich with Coupons is a comprehensive platform that gathers the best deals available, primarily for grocery shopping. You'll find coupons for popular stores like CVS, Walgreens, and Target. The site is updated regularly, ensuring that you're always getting the most current deals. But I've noticed that not all of the coupons are applicable in every region, so you might want to double-check before you start planning your shopping trip. Navigating the website is relatively straightforward. The homepage features categories that break down deals by store, product type, and even seasonal offers. However, it can feel a little overwhelming if you're new to couponing because there's so much information on the page. But once you get the hang of it, it's much easier to find the deals that work for you. You can also create a free account to personalize your experience and save coupons for later use. The search feature on Living Rich with Coupons works pretty well, though sometimes it takes a minute to load results. It's a useful tool for finding specific deals, but I've found that the site can get a bit slow when too many people are browsing at once, which is something to consider. Now, let's talk about the actual savings. Living Rich with Coupons provides access to hundreds of coupons for all sorts of products. But the real value comes from combining these with in-store sales or online discounts. Some users report that the site's best value comes from grocery store coupon matchups, where you can save big by stacking multiple offers. On the downside, not all the coupons are as generous as they first appear, especially when you factor in store limitations or expiration dates. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. There's also a section dedicated to printable coupons. While convenient, I've personally found that these can sometimes be hit or miss, depending on your printer and the quality of the coupon scan. Additionally, some stores have become more stringent about accepting printed coupons, so be prepared for that. In conclusion, Living Rich with Coupons is a solid resource if you're serious about saving money on groceries and household items. It's a bit of a learning curve at first, but with patience and persistence, it can pay off. However, I wouldn't rely solely on this site for all my shopping savings. It's great for specific deals, but not as versatile as some other platforms. If you want to maximize your savings even further, don't forget to check out the useful links in the description, where you can get cash back on your purchases. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.